How's it, guys, and welcome back to another video in this YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Dixon. I make videos around entertainment, lifestyle, but also entrepreneurship. So if these are some of the things that you enjoy watching, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos you get to receive notifications. So in our today's video, we want to talk or discuss about what Banton wrote on social, saying there are 4 big artists that are kind of hanging out with Gwamba in a sense of praising them to get some kind of benefits from him. So if you want to watch more about this, then stick around and we'll proceed the video soon after this intro. Yo guys, welcome back again to another video. Just as I said in our today's video, I want to talk about Banton. Yeah, so before we proceed, just in case you don't know who Banton is, I don't know if I should say he's an upcoming artist or he is an established artist. I don't know. It's you who are going to tell me about that, and I'll appreciate if you leave it in the comment section below that he is an upcoming artist or maybe he's already an established artist. Yeah, so basically he is the brother to Shama Vocals. Shama Vocals is a Malawian gospel artist. So this one is his young brother, but he doesn't sing gospel, he does secular music. Banton wrote this on his Facebook page yesterday saying, "Chulani zamwe sinai zomwe zimalandira Gwamba. Happy Sunday, you all." Yeah, so basically what he's saying, just in case you don't understand Chichewa, what he's saying basically is that you should mention 4 artists that are kind of hanging out with Gwamba in a sense of praising him to get some sorts of benefit from him. Yeah, so I don't know, but to me personally, if I was Gwamba, I would feel offended by this statement. The reason why I'm saying I would feel offended is that Gwamba has been #1 fan of Banton, and Banton was supposed to appreciate, because if we have to calculate, we can say Banton, Gwamba is 10 times famous as Banton. They are like he's 10 miles away from him. So he was supposed at least to appreciate the kind of good things that Gwamba has been doing to him. So for him, instead of appreciating these good things that Gwamba is doing to him, he went on social and wrote these things. I know that there's a lot of things that always goes on social to get those followers, to get the likes, to get trending, to get famous, and a lot of stuff. But I always say, and I'll continue to say this, that you don't gain success by pulling or saying bad things about other people. Don't get me wrong, I'm just saying this based on my personal perception, but I'm not really saying he's done something bad. But to me personally, I don't really recommend, and I wouldn't go on social and do such kind of a thing. Yeah, so maybe you might be having questions that who are these 4 artists that are kind of praising Gwamba? Yeah, so guys, for me personally, I don't want to I don't want to be here and kind of listing those artists saying it's this one, and this one. No, it's gonna be bad of me because this word was not spoken by me. Yeah, so the only thing that I will maybe highly appreciate is when you mention them in the comment section below so that I may also know them, because I was also personally kind of shocked that who really are these 4 artists that are kind of praising or worshiping Gwamba. Yeah, so I would really appreciate you guys, if you know them, just mention them in the comment section below. So yo guys, this is all that I had for you. If you did enjoy, make sure you give it a like. If you did enjoy, give it a dislike. Whatever you're going to do, I'm going to appreciate. Most importantly, leave a comment in the comment section below. That will mean a world to me. And also guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and also follow me on Facebook page, and get to receive my exclusive content, because I know some of you don't know my personal life, you don't know where I stay, you don't know what I do for a living apart from making these videos. So those platforms, if you have questions, you can ask me either in my DM, and maybe you might be lucky, I'm going to make a video about it and answer all your questions. Otherwise, thank you guys for being there, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, cheers and God bless.